All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sorry about that, folks. Computer crashed. Discord is back. YouTube is back, folks, if you could hear me. Man, look at this guy. Look at the Mara wants to go higher. All right, I already pinned the live link, folks. Mark condition bullish. They want to go higher. So if you shorted here, folks, and you reversed, right, you got to take a loss. Market want to go higher. Condition bullish, MACD bullish. All things looking bullish here. Even computer tell me, Josh, don't trade because it crashed. All right, kick. Can you hear me now? right? All right, sorry about that, folks. I have a cleaning lady working at home, folks. You might hear a lot of noise. Apologize. So I'll be not taking trade, folks. All right, you can trade, but yeah, I'll announce if you're going to take. Conditions are bullish, sloping support is intact. Squeeze continuation bullish. Market finding the. We are all the way at the top. Okay. If somebody says a low voice. Alright. Time is 1:30. Squeeze coming in, bullish, bullish, bullish. Still bulls are here. No weakness, okay? Okay. No, I mean, I'm not trading today because not it's just a $1 range. That's okay. But something, why my computer crash, right? Have you ever seen in live that my computer crash? Maybe internet goes off. My computer very rare. Mac. I use Mac. My computer crash. And wife said in a lunchtime, say, today be careful. Is not a good day to trade. I said, why she has to tell me that? She never tells me, but she whenever she feels, and she is a number 2 person, intuition, right? And because certain indication comes, you don't do, it's okay. So I'll adjust the day in a alert room. Those who are there. But I'm here, still here, and I'll announce whatever I feel like. Okay. Today I'll be announcing setup. Okay. You can take a trade. Still bulls are here. Squeeze bullish. Anything pull back around here. Still bulls are there. Look at that. This point to this point is higher. This point to this point is higher. Look at this pullback, bounce, rejection, pullback, make it a little bearish. Still bulls are there. This is bullish, huh, folks? Stay away from the short right now. Okay, even though the red candle coming, this is the support to watch. Okay. POC right there. QQQ has POC. I'm thinking, you know what they'll do? There's a bunch of bull here now. From 11:49 to 1:30. Almost 2 hours. 2 hours bulls are here. And it's a dollar range. Okay. Look at the trap, what they did. Rejection, breakout and rejection they did, and now they want to go lower. They want to trap these people. Continue squeeze. Make it bearish, volume coming, but that's a support here. Okay. QQQ already lower. IWM is going lower. Okay. Conditions are bullish. Magri turning back. Look at the squeeze coming bearish too. Conditions are bullish here, but we want to go lower. Market want to go lower. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Trend line flipping. You see this trend line? So they want to go lower, folks. Okay. This is the area they are heading. If the trend line breaks, they could be playing with the VWAP, something. All right. और लाइव लिंक रखें। Tesla got a strong support at the POC, right? Sloping support is intact here. Still no rejection, okay? So let's go and take a look at Tesla. Tesla, man, look at the bear lined up and then rejection. Bulls are here. Look at the squeeze continuation bullish, huh, folks? Okay, still no rejection yet. Tesla sloping support is intact. Bulls are strong here. $396. Tesla going higher. Still bullish. Tesla still bullish. No weakness. Bears are coming now. QQQ already going. Ticks are bouncing. We are at the POC. Today nothing folks, okay, just it's okay. This area folks right here, if you want to short around here, MACD still bearish, squeeze bearish. I know conditions are slightly bulls are here. Somewhere rejection comes, okay. POC involved. The conditions are not the great folks, okay. Somewhere rejection here come. If you want to short, you can short, and then when this flips, then you can take a loss if you wanted to. But look at this rejection, keep coming rejection. MACD still bullish, squeeze bearish. There's a rejection soon will be coming. Okay. Bulls start to give up. Once you see this area I'm flipping, then super strong bearish, okay. Until then, Still holding, bulls are still holding the fort. Bears are trying right now to get squeeze volume. Bears are trying. Mm-hmm. All right, still at the top. Look at the MACD now. Look at that, folks. Okay, bulls are coming. Okay, bulls are coming. MACD crossing, bulls are lining up here now. Market, look at the squeeze, volume, everything turning bullish. Okay. Okay. Small bounce coming. The market going, Q going too. Today, if you chase, be careful. That's what I would say. Bullish, sloping, support intact. So look at that rejection, support right there, strong bounce. And over here, no rejection. MACD bullish, volume still there, squeeze giving up, conditions are bullish. Okay, so if you wanted to be very careful, folks, this is your major support area around here now. Okay, until then they are bullish. Okay, any pullback you see, bulls are there. Time is 150. Most likely they want to go higher, and then we'll see. Look at the bulls here. If they're gonna trap or not, we'll find. Any pullback coming, conditions are bullish. Stay away from short. Okay, so far, folks, the way things are right now looking, still bulls are there. Nice and bullish. Condition is bullish too. Any small pullback, you could be very careful shorting. Okay, because time is 2 o'clock. Excuse me, sorry. My bad, I touch mic. Alright, MACD bullish, volume coming, conditions are going slowly, market wants to push it up. This condition setup is nice and bullish. Slowly they want to go to HOD, folks. Okay, slowly market want to go to HOD zone. Market sitting all the way at the top. Ticks are almost zero. QQQ bullish. IWM market might swing. Use the IWM, folks. Okay, keep eyes on IWM. Okay, IWM. Remember what we discussed here is there is a rejection come. Look, the rejection came, and man, that was a good entry, folks. Right here, look at that rejection, pullback, retest, bounce. This is your money on IWM. All right, now it's too much. All right, so slowly going. IWM bullish, conditions are bullish, retest, bounce. Now we are heading to the VWAP area and see what happens. But yep, slowly bulls are coming on IWM. Those who wants to go long, VWAP rejection is okay, but look like bulls are coming. What up, bulls are coming. I don't see weakness, folks, so still bullish. Everything looking bullish now. Condition is turning more bullish. Be careful on a short side. Any pullback is a bullish. Decent pullback. Sloping support in tech, bullish condition is nice and bullish. Stay away from short. Market wants to go higher. Look at the bulls are right now, nice and bullish. IWM is going like QQQ, IWM. Alright, we are at the resistance zone. Okay, I don't see any weakness, but okay, let's see now. This is the area to be very careful and see what market could do. Right, we test the HOD and time is 2 o'clock if they have any agenda. So what does it mean? Means they could have breakout, fake out, something like that, right? Or they just want to continue higher. We'll find out. There you go, pullback coming. That's your resistance. Keep pulling back. This is your trend line to follow. There's your support here. MACD crossing here. Squeeze coming. There's a bullish still. All right, they want to test and bounce. Okay, folks. Sloping support right here. MACD cross here. Look at the bullish. Negative pullback. Bulls trying to give up here. Support here, right here, it is sloping support. It could be a bullish entry zone, folks. Okay. But you have to also keep it in mind. Right now, these conditions are so strong, so much bullish, right? They're pulling it back, filling up the gas. Give a little time. All right, cycle about to get over, and then bounce coming a little bit. Then we'll see. Continue squeeze. Squeeze bullish. Look at IWM going now. Okay, folks, IWM looking nice and bullish. Those who gonna look at the IWM flipping the VWAP. You see nice curling up. Look at the curl. That is what you should look for in a trade like these, and then thank me later. The current market wants to bounce. Bulls are, what did I tell you? Entry zone here. That's the entry. The IWM looking good too. Stay away from short. Market is bullish. I'm sure they're gonna create a divergence here. Something will play. Can you show me the curl again? Curling. Right, you can see curl. This is how the curl works. Right. That's your curl. SPY going looking like a bullish, nice squeeze bullish. Look at that. Alrighty. Now they might create a divergence here, that rejection. Okay, we'll see. All right. Now be careful. Conditions are still bullish, but we need to find out another setup. Continue squeeze. Conditions are bullish. Market might create a bearish divergence here, but that's okay. Time is 2 o'clock, right? Still bullish, sitting all the way at the top. MACD trying to cross and say I want to go higher. Want to have a bullish breakout, folks. Okay, look like wants to break out. Continue squeeze. Trying to create a divergence. Be careful now, little bit. Ticks are already going down. Condition just rock solid bullish, right? And they are creating a bearish divergence here. So this support is time is 2:11. We don't know if they have agenda to trap all the bulls. These bulls are. There we go, pullback coming. Conditions are bullish. Still we are at the support folks. Okay, cloud conditions, a strong bullish market sitting at the top, spending some time creating a MACD filling up the gas or something. Let's see. Still bulls are there. Still holding at the top. Market looking bullish. Keep creating very divergent. breaking out. Market want to go higher. You can see this condition, folks. Okay, stay away from the short. Consolidation and breakout, creating divergence, continue squeeze bullish. Time is 2:30. Alrighty. Alright, rejection coming a little bit. Keep going. IWM is going slowly going. Tesla got a rejection. Well, let's take a look at Tesla now. Tesla. This support to watch here. Okay. Tesla wants to go lower. Tesla looking bearish. Look right there. Because squeeze coming too, folks. Good shot on Tesla. Good shot. Until here. And then find out. Eventually they'll want to go lower. If they come around VWAP area. Alright, if this flips. Bears are coming. Alright, look at that breakout bullish. Sorry folks, what am I doing here? Alright, look at the bulls breakout. Continue squeeze. Solid, huh? Today is the day. Look like market wants to go. Pullback, bullish. Look at this compression. Bullish sloping support, continue bullish. Man, I'm having FOMO. And with that, continue. Bullish, huh, folks? Market is solid bullish. Look at the volume, look at the conditions. Now we already poked through the roof. Validation coming. Still bulls are there. IWM wants to go higher. Tesla looking nice. Look at the POC. Tesla wants to go. Look at the volume here, bullish. Man, love this IWM. Look at the MACD here, bullish, volume bullish. Friday finale going to 660, huh? Today, market. Bullish. $237 time is. Look at the IWM, folks. Look at that, amazing, right? Okay. Look at the bullseye here. Look at these MACD volume conditions, all bulls. Look at the power. Why is popping today, Mara? Bullish, bullish, bullish. Stay away from short. Okay. If any changes, I'll let you know. The market looking bullish. Got the volume. Any pullback is bullish. If this trend line breaks right here, then it's bearish. Until then, it's bullish. Okay. Right, bulls. Any pullback is bullish. Ticks are pulling it back. Market is all the way to the top. Look at ticks are going down, down, down. All right. Tesla giving up. sorry. Still bullish, bullish, bullish. MACD filling up the gas. Bulls are there. MACD little pullback, but market still holding at the top. Squeeze bullish. Wow, look at that. What happens, folks? That's the entry. That's bullish. That's bullish. Fast. Bullish. I told you, man. These people are filling up the gas. Okay, just to let you know. Those who grab that thing, you will thank me later, okay? Man, they do it so quickly in a macrosecond, folks. Microsecond. And then they go higher. MACD bearish, volume coming a little bit. Okay, filling up the gas. Look at the ticks are bouncing. Anybody, what did you guys do on this candle? Anybody did any actions? Let me see. What did you do on that candle? I'm reading. Anybody did anything? Anybody did anything? Anybody scoop it? What did you scoop? Call the put. Somebody just sold my put. Just woke up. I bought 100 calls. Somebody said I bought 100 call. Oh man, you champion. Call. Thank you. Okay. I'm in a long. Was too fast. Yeah, I know 100% too fast because they want to make sure they want to go higher. That's why they quickly went down and grabbed that liquidity, and then they're gonna go. You will see. That's what I said, man. You good, man. I would love to go 100 contract here. I'm feeling so much. Squeeze $2. Nice. Yeah, doesn't matter, folks. Whatever you grab, okay. Anything is okay. Anything you grab is good. Somebody said was not in the trade. Look at the squeeze. Look at the volume coming, man. These people are right now cooking the meal. Look, see, if anybody grab this, easy money 100 contract. Right? Boy. This is my trade. This could be the best trade. I would jump. And it's like a God gift. Look at the money, folks. Look at that. Who grabbed that? Look at that. Remember what did I tell you? You can thank me later. That's your money. Huh? Look at this. Yeah. I gave you alert at 2 o'clock 44 minutes before even I gave it to the live, everybody. What did I tell you? Pullback bullish. Right? If anybody print, good, enjoy the party. And that's your support. Tesla got POC, folks. Be careful now, okay? Now be careful, folks, okay? Because we just had a week above the body, week below the body, right here, and week above the body. That's how they be going up and down, up and down. Still bulls are there, but just in case, okay? Look at that, 660. Remember we discussed about 660 is going. All right, we can do manifestation, folks. Something we could do. Alrighty. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the FOMO. FOMO is miles and FOMO is miles and miles away from me. FOMO is miles and miles away from me. I always focus on candles and premiums. Pullback coming. Okay. Good enough. Good enough. All right. Speak as you read, folks. FOMO is miles and miles away from me. This is what you should be chanting, right? FOMO is miles and miles away from me. I always focus on candles, premiums, which gives me best entry all the time. Every time market gives me master setup, which prints good amount of money. I love you money. I'm the magnet of money. Right? Keep it this and keep chanting. People who writes, look folks, I'll tell you, those who believe in affirmations and manifest, you should type in the chat. In the chat you can type yourself the same thing. Type it, don't copy paste. Okay, you got to type it. That's what your brain embeds. Whatever you do, whatever you feel, that's the how energy flows. Most of the people make mistakes on a FOMO entry, right? That's why we need to be very controlled. FOMO has to be controlled. That's why I say FOMO is miles and miles away from me. Keep telling your brain. FOMO drives the market. Yes, that's why they care about it. They got a strong energy. Okay. Okay. Look at the market is still sitting at the top. Time is 3 o'clock. Still bullish. Look at that. Continue squeeze. Volumes are there. Ticks are pulling it back. QQQ looking bullish. Okay. Tesla POC bounce right there. I hope people book the profit, but people wanted more profit, 1000% profit, and that's where the problem happens. All right. Continue squeeze bullish. Huh? Still stay away from the put, okay, folks. Even though we doesn't have the solid strength, but yeah, still look, bulls are holding, folks. Okay. Bullish, bullish, bullish. MACD trying to be little pullback. Look at the MACD turning bearish here. Conditions are bullish. All right, let's see this bear cycle. I think MACD fitting up the gas to go higher. All right. Still pushing lower, still. Let the cycle finish. Bulls are there here. Look at this bullish cycle. Everything is bullish, right? So pullback bullish. Still MACD bearish, pushing lower. Watch out a little bit, folks, okay, just in case. Why? Because light at the tunnel coming bearish, conditions are not this strong, means they want to go lower, right? Still condition is strong, but if you want to go short side, you have to be you got to wait for this line to sub break. Until then, they're bullish. Pull back, little bull. Look at this bull bounce, bull back bounce like that, but not the strong condition. So let's see. Right. MACD with the volume becoming bearish. Good support. We need to wait for it something. If you want to go long, folks, you got to be very careful. Right now bears are coming in. Look at the MACD, horrible bearish. Look at the MACD My market looking bearish. Bears are coming, folks. Look at the MACD here, okay? Just to let you know, bears are coming in, folks. Bears are coming in. Bears are trying, bulls are giving up. You never know, they could go how far. Okay, look at the MACD, solid bearish. Conditions are not the best. But to flip that cycle, not that easy, but time is changing. 312. Okay, and right now MACD looking horrible bearish. They want to go lower, 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 folks. Okay, market want to go lower. Bears gonna print money. Go for it. Support is right here. Okay, that's where they want to go. It's giving up now, but it's okay. Right here, this area. If you want to short, nice bounce if they do it. If they do the bounce, otherwise time is the key. Look at the MACD, look at the horrible bears are here, right? They want to go, folks, okay? Look at these bears, not looking easy, right? Q looking bearish. Bears are lining up. Folks, this is nice bearish, huh? If you want to jump in. Right? Look at the MACD here. Still going, they want to go. They will go around here. This area. Okay. Bearish, bearish, bearish. We're still sitting at the top. Still bears are there. Look at the volume. We just started. It's still long way to go. They could come down somewhere here because we are below the cloud. Okay. I'm gonna bring it closer. Josh, how do you know that they want to go lower? I told you they want to go lower. Trend line breaking. Look at the MACD. Look at the horrible bearish here. Look at that way. Somebody gonna print crazy when this is the gift. Man, you getting the gift. Okay, now that's your demand zone area right here. Okay. Still bears are heavy. But there's a demand zone, folks. Be careful here now, okay? Anywhere it could be reversing here. Right now, bearish. bounce coming little bit, and there's a demand zone bounce. Man, this has, they want to go right away down, folks. It look like today somebody gonna print money who gonna hold the put. Okay, most likely. Because time is like that, you're gonna go through the pain, but it's, yes, they could come to VWAP area. Those who gonna hold the put, okay, thank me later. If you want to go short, let it bounce somewhere. If nice bounce, good short. In that way, when you want a best entry, you got to pay. Sometimes you miss the trade. It happens. Look at the volume here. Look at the MACD. Everything is the bearish. You're gonna see a boom, 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 boom going. Okay. Market is going. We are at the sloping support. Q. Ticks are filling up the gas. Market wants to go to VWAP. Okay. Somebody gonna print money. Bounce coming. That's your demand zone. I'm reading something, folks. All right. Still bears are there. Look at the volume, folks. Okay, they'll be going crazy down, maybe around VWAP area. Those who are gonna hold the put, going to the cluster is somewhere here. VWAP area market is going to go 323. Market looking bearish, and this is easy money. I am feeling FOMO, man. It's okay. Nice and bearish, right? Nice and bearish. Nice and bearish. Look at that. Conditions are bearish. Look at that. Going. Here we go. Man, it's a 330. When you see a one candle is easy. One candle gives you $1 easy. All right, one candle gives you easy $1. Isn't it? Forget about this. Small, okay. You can. There was a cluster around here. This area, right? And then let's see any gameplay. Man, oh boy. Look at the volume here. See that? Look at that. Going. Somebody is printing right now. Look at that. IWM is going. Bearish. Bunch of bulls are trapped here. You see this? So they could be in the middle. They wouldn't mind slowly going. Taking their time, but they are going. Here we go. Anybody printing or no? Anybody printing? Look at the QQQ, IW. When you see these, all the indexes are in your favor, that's where you print money. Just like yesterday, right? Yesterday was not doing like this. Yesterday was completely in a compression mode. People need to learn to wait. That's how FOMO is miles and miles away from me. Right? Once you know the technical, once you have the education, FOMO stays away because you're focusing on technicals. You are focusing on what market makers are doing. You're not focusing on when should I go or not. Look at that. VWAP. Look at the MACD, folks. They want to go. Yep. Right there. MACD bearish volume. They still want to go, folks. Okay. Still pushing it lower. You will see. VWAP right there. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Now be careful, folks. Still bears are there. MACD bearish, volume bearish. They want to push it lower. Conditions there, but it's a VWAP. MACD still bearish, volume pushing still lower, folks. Okay. Still pushing right there. I'm sure they're gonna play game now. POC will now take time to take the money, folks. Okay, time to take the money. That's it. POC there, VWAP there. Alrighty. Still bears are there, but it's okay. Time to take the money. Alright, anybody printed here? Somebody says I sold 10 contract. Okay. 50% booked profit on puts, 250%. Nice. That's how you pay. Nice, nice. Those who printed. Good job. Good job. Those who printed. Congratulations. Those who printed. Okay. Time is now 3:30. They wouldn't mind little bouncing here to burn all the bear. That's why they book the profit. They're gonna quickly burn out all the bear. Look at the power here, volume. Wow, they still want to go lower, folks. Okay. POC right there. That's where they want to. There's a big flush coming, folks. Okay. There is a flush more coming. Yes. Look at that. Wow. Told you, right? This is a more power coming. Wow. Isn't it amazing? Yeah. Now I gave you alert at 3:08, folks. Right here, I said watch out on a long side, right? From then onwards, look at that dumb, right? Look at that. That's the alert. Look at this crazy. Everybody exit, and now market is below POC. Look at the average. All three indexes like bleeding like anything. Wow. Look at the bleeding. I was expecting a bounce here, but then I saw the strength. I said, wow, they want to push it lower after the VWAP. Look at that. People must be thinking, man, I wish I would have held my thing. Yeah, I know, man, sometime. But yeah, risk level is there. But right now, look at this. This is the strength. Look at this. Market wants to dump. Highest money you could make here on this trade. Look at the MACD. Look at the volume coming. Time is 3:33. They are going. See how fast they finish all these quickly. So people lose the profit. Tesla coming back. It's just slow, quickly. SMCI dumping. UNH is going down too. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Still bears are there, folks. Still bears are there. QQQ, SPY, they want to, if you want to dump, still going. Market wants to go more lower. Okay. And I'm having tons of FOMO. You cannot imagine how much. Look at these volumes are going. Time is 3:36. QQQ got POC. MACD bearish. Look at the bears. Look at the all right. So much bearish, man. Look at the volume. Loaded up, the volumes are coming. Told you, man, they want to go lower. Look at the volume, look at the MACD, everything is strong bears. See that bearish, bearish, bearish. Look at the mark, look at the volume going crazy down. Look at the volume going down, down, down. This is not normal. Look at the dump. Now if they wouldn't mind little bouncing here, LOD area, still bears are there because of the volume. Still bears are there, volumes are strong. Everybody want to dump it. Tesla dumping like anything. SPY is going, still going, folks. Okay, still going. Ticks are going. Market want to dump. LOD broke. Is right here. All right, market going. Look at the MACD. Look at the volume. Man, I miss all the things. I'm pulling my hairs. Okay, but I promise myself I will not, so it's okay. All right. Okay, look at that, going, going, going. Yeah, this is crazy, folks. Look at the volume here. This is amazing, folks. Okay, there's somebody said I'm still in. This is amazing, right? This, look, market gives you this kind of things happens, you know, when they do it, that's the day, that's the time. When they flip the VWAP, that's telling you that they're solid bearish. Look at the MACD, look at the volume here, look at this setup here right now. Do you see what it is happening right now? They want to keep dumping. This is outrageous. Well, market broke the LOD. Time is 3:42. Okay, now be careful, folks. You gotta be careful right now because it look like changing the gear. Okay, people have profit quickly. Look at the bounce, okay? Look at that bounce because of so many bears. Okay. Don't be surprised, you could go to VWAP also. Buy, need back everything. Market. Amazing, folks, right? Negative curl enough, light into the tunnel coming. Market wants to go to VWAP, folks. Okay. Somebody says I got out 80 contract and bought at 136, $1.36, sold at 32, took a loss and now got to $4. Oh boy. Remember, market is like they want to do exactly opposite when everybody is thinking differently, right? That's the time they want to do it. So they have a responsibility to feel the bullish bearish, right? They cannot just be on one side, they also want to be on one other side too. So in that case, you never know when they flip it, and mostly they flip it when everybody is turning bullish. I'm talking intraday, okay, right? And then they do this, but then you expect similar event on every day. That's where the problems are. Today is Friday option expiry. All the bulls, they came down here. Look, VWAP right there, bounce. Highest money from here to here. You know how I feel myself not trading. Crazy, but it's okay. That's how things are, folks. You need to control your emotion. But yes, if you guys print, amazing, folks. Good work. Okay, carry on. Now, be careful. Time is 3:46. 15 more minutes to go. Right? 15 minutes to go. MACD is still bullish. Volume still bullish. POC right there. POC pop. Stop going probably. Okay. They're gonna hover around near the POC because a lot of bear has profit, right? So they're gonna keep the price up there, because those who don't book the profit, they go to the pain. That's what people need to learn. Look, folks. This is the alert room, right? I gave you alert at 309. Watch out long side, 309. 309, that's when the market was super duper bullish. Right here. 306, 307, right here. That stay away from the pullback bullish, market giving up small. Watch out long side. Bears are trying at the top 311. Bears are started trying 311. 311 right here. 39, 311. Look like boom, 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 boom. Right? But I announce everybody after that you can take your position if you want to take and thank me later. I said let it bounce. Bearish at 317. Still bears are there. Let it bounce 317. Look here, they're trying to bounce here. I said still bearish. Look at this bounce on this candle. They're trying to bounce. I said still bearish. They want to go, and look at that dump. That's the value of the alert room. Okay. I did not take the trade, folks. That I promised myself that I'll not trade today. Wife said don't trade. So I said okay. Maybe market testing my patience. It's a perfect time to test the patience. So I can more focus on you guys. Yeah. Make the bullish. Time is closing in 10 minutes. 11 minutes to go. Bulls are coming. SPY has POC. All right, VWAP is flipping. Market wants to go higher. Wow. Look at wow, folks. This is nice and bullish, huh? Look at the MACD here. Look at the volume. Look at the light on the tunnel coming. And conditions are horrible bearish. I would not go long, folks. I would not go long. VWAP is flipping here. Look at the MACD here too. Bullish coming. Everything looking nice bullish here, right? Look at the MACD. Wow. Powerful. POC right there. 8 more minutes to go. Still bulls are there. Ticks are pulling it back. Bulls are coming. Kick. Bullish, still feeling that the gas market want to go higher. Wow. Yep. Look at the MACD. Look at the volume pushing it up. Pushing up. Ticks are right there. 7 minutes to go. POC right here. That's where market gonna close. We have 6 more minutes to go. Look at that. Five more minutes to go, market to close. And I pull back. Look at the bear, right? I told you folks, stop going north. You know, they're looking like a look at this here, fooling people as if going north, and I say stay away. Okay. 3 more minutes to go. Remember, you broke the record date to remove. No man, I did take the one trade, folks. Was one contract. just to trial, but that was that was something earlier in the morning time. At right here. Market going back to the square root zero. So all the bear here, they bounce, they thought, oh boy, all right, the reverse, burn out all the bears, bulls lined up, burn all the bulls, and they came down. All right, market close, folks. Finito. All right. So, okay, folks. There's always another day. All right. How did you guys do, everybody? I hope everybody had a good time today, folks. I hope everybody had a good time. All right. Those who wants to join the folks, I'll be here for 5 more minutes and then I'll close. Those who wants to join the main free group right here, you can open your camera and scan that. All right. How did you do? Awesome day. Somebody says, wow, JV said. And those who wants to join the alert room right here, folks, you can make a payment and take a screenshot and send me on this number and I'll add you up. Your 30 days starts from Monday, not today. Even though you pay today, it starts from tomorrow. Starts from Monday. Green as the jungle. It helps me. It was actually your target. Then I made the reprogram. The problem is target going on. Have a good weekend, everybody. Have a good weekend. Best day of the week. Good. All right. I'll submit this thing into the community if anybody has any questions on it. Which are the classes I teach? Right here. Foundation classes, folks, those are very, very important. Those who are trading futures, then learn the futures, folks. Okay, very, very important. Trading futures are, I teach few different things. Future has a lot of opportunity, but you just need to learn and then these classes are right here. All right, post it in the main group so you can have it, and then you can decide whatever you like. Any questions? Number is right on the top. You can text me. This is the foundation class right here. Those who want to take the SPX has alert room free with the class for 1 month. Okay, so if you want that deal, right here, I posted in the group. All right. Let me know. What a day, right? Market was up, and then crashed, right? That's okay. Alrighty, let's call it a day, folks, everybody. All right, thank you, everybody, being here. If you have any questions, number is right here at the top. Okay, you can text me. All right, so enjoy your weekend, folks. Spend some time with family. Very, very important, folks. Always give yourself a time to family. Always hug your kids, hug your family, folks. All right, that is very, very important. All right, your parents, your wife, your kids, right? It's very important, folks. When you spend time with them and when they are happy, you are happy. Remember that. If the family is not happy, folks, believe it or not, it's not going to work. All right. All right. Take care, everybody. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.